The Division of Rheumatology, and the Arthritis Center in particular, are strongly grounded in medical research. Medical research takes many different forms, and our division is involved in research along the entire continuum. We really are based in work around the patient, though. Everything centers on the patient. And that means we collect information from patients. We try to understand what makes these diseases unique, what makes each patient different from the next patient who comes along, and hopefully how we can identify those patients who would be the best candidates for one therapy or another therapy. The clinical research effort is complicated, and we've tried to integrate it as much as possible within the clinical care setting. That means at the time of a visit, when a patient comes in, we'll ask for questionnaires to be completed. Now, the information on the questionnaires is often the same information that we would collect as part of your routine clinic visit. But what we ask is if patients would be willing to have that data contributed to our database, as well as to national registries and databases, and even some international studies where we're trying to get information on tens of thousands of patients with the conditions that we treat so that we can really understand what the differences are. We use that information and link it with blood samples, synovial fluid that we take from the joints, and other tissues that patients might have at the time of surgery or otherwise. And we work really closely with our colleagues in the laboratory to try to identify new biomarkers, new predictors that can tell us, again, about one patient or another, or which treatment might be the best for them. We really think this is the way that research needs to proceed, and ultimately is going to give us the answers that we need to move closer to a cure.